In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the app not installed error on Android. First, restart your device. This simple step can quickly fix temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. Also, ensure you have enough storage space. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Storage. And if you're running low, free up some space before trying again. You can also clear the Google Play Store data. Tap and hold the Play Store app, select App Info, then tap Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Storage. If you're installing an APK file, make sure Allow from this source is enabled. Go to Settings, tap Privacy, then scroll down to Special App Permissions, or search for Install Unknown Apps on your device. If you downloaded the file using Chrome, make sure to toggle on Allow from this source for Chrome. After that, try installing the app again. And that's it. That's how you fix the app not installed error on Android.